Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now Diwali is over and everyone is asking me that I didn't post any picture of mine this Diwali. So I thought let's post whole video of entire getup. This video is only for that ladies who owned all the responsibilities of household like household chores, cleaning and dusting, food and thousands of many more. Moreover, Diwali being already so much tired, they have to see decoration, lighting, preps of puja and along with these, when you need to get ready, there is not even a couple of minutes to look over that. Here as you can see, I've created very simple look and can you believe it took only 5 minutes. So directly jumping to the process. In spite of making base from foundation, I prefer to take CC cream from Lakme after applying a good amount of moisturizer. No corrector, no concealer, only a CC cream of your shade can create a magic in just couple of seconds if you don't have much time. After that, I'll pack that creaminess with BB face talc. It's tinted so it's work well to set your base and doesn't give whiteness. Now jump to the lengthiest part, eyes. Always remember, never ever use eyeshadow without using concealer on your eyes. Because eyes पे dark circles होते हैं without setting a proper base with correcting and concealing. आप eyeshadow use करेंगे और वो 10 मिनट में काला पड़ जाएगा and it will be a complete mess. For eyes, just use gel or pencil kajal as liner and smudge it upwards from outer to inner corner of your eyes and then apply kajal to your lower and upper lash line as well. That's it. That's enough for your eyes as of now. Here I am filling up my brows and highlighting robe on. This is a mini shadow palette from any local brand HR and again it creates magic for me. It is so pigmented as one stroke of it can highlight your cheekbones just like a newly wedded. Now if needed, give a single stroke of powder contour and blend it like nothing on your face. This will highlight your face on upfront too. Last but not the least, take a good amount of lip and cheek tint. You can use blush also, but this will pretty enough to add that festive glow to your look. Moreover, I am mixing my personal favorite R32 from L18 Color Pop to add a little more color. If you want, add some tinted glitter on your eyelids. Add some festivities to your look. Now in spite of coating of mascara, I'll prefer to just curl my lashes. It will help to cut down the weight of makeup on my face and give the most natural finish to my look. As you have seen, it is not necessary to put up layers of makeup to achieve that glowing natural skin-like finish makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more makeup looks, tips and tricks. Share your favorite part of the video and how enjoyed your Diwali. Comment down below. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.